Hi, it's Mitz from My Life Mitz. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I thought I would share with you my weekly Traveler's Notebook insert. The year is broken up into two notebooks. So from January to June and from July to December. It's broken up into two notebooks, and now that it's August, so I'm actually kind of delayed. Now that it's August, I thought I would flip through some of these pages. And yeah, so let's get started. This is the original brown. This is my first ever Traveler's Notebook, and this is from it's back when it was called, the brand was still called Midori instead of Traveler's Company. You can see there it's Midori, made in Thailand, and I make an effort to try and stamp. You can't really see there though. I make an effort to stamp whenever I visit a Traveler's Factory shop. Sometimes I stamp 2 stamps, but I try my best to remember to stamp at least once. And I don't know, I just like it. It's like nice memories, and it's not too, like, it's kind of faded into the leather, so it's not too noticeable. But yes, it's a really worn and it's a worn one. I've even stamped the inside. My son stuck this sticker years ago and it's still there. And on this side I have the one of the newer stamps. And a pocket. So I think I will do like 2 versions of this video. If you don't want to listen to me ramble and chat, I will post like a sped up version of it. So I will link that down below if you're interested in viewing that one instead. Let's look at the first insert, which I said is from January to June. I was doing, I was keeping track of my no spend, and it just fell off from May forward. I was doing okay. I was writing down things that I spent on this little taiyaki. It's like a red bean inside. And then the cover of this fish, not pastry, but a sweet, I guess, is like pancake mix type of. It's so hard to explain. But anyways, that was my no spend. I fell off starting May, and then I just went downhill. These 2 pages, or these front pages, I didn't really use. Some stickers. I don't think I started this in the beginning of the year. Just looking through some of these, make sure that I don't have any. I don't believe I have any like important information, but yeah. So I love collaging like washi and like layering washi and stickers on top of each other, stamping and then layering washi on top of the stamps. Whenever I go for like the Traveler's Notebook meetups, we take out all of our stamps and we stamp the heck out of everything we have. We share lots of washi tape, and I'm very, very thankful to my Tokyo Tiny Traveler friends. And yeah, so that's what I do. Some bits are from Happy Mail, and like some stamps and things from Happy Mail. Sometimes I get the question, I mention the words Happy Mail in my videos, and people ask me, what is Happy Mail? It's basically just mail, but it's happy instead of like mail that's like bills or yeah. You don't want, of course, when you see the bills in your mail, they don't really make you happy. So it's just basically mail. Happy Mail is the same thing as mail. Yeah, these kind of washi and stickers. These little snippets are things that happen during the day or how I'm feeling throughout the week. Sometimes I guess you can say I have like a color scheme. I don't know, this is more of like a peachy red with browns, and this is more like earthy greens and blues, teals. This is kind of like more beige and toned down. I even use like a khaki color Uniball Signal pen. This is black and darker colors and stickers. So I guess I do kind of I don't really think about it, but now that I look at it, there is kind of like a color scheme going on. if there's a certain page that really like you have questions about, just leave a comment down below. This is like a handmade stamp by Paper Paella. This little stamp bits is from Eva. Well, this one is also from Paper Paella as well. It's just really, really nice to see certain, it just brings me back so many memories. These are the watercolors from London Gifties and these little like, vintage things. Packaging, I think this is from Life at 30 something. It's just really nice to see everything. This is from Kenry. If I remember, I'm going to try my best, but if I don't remember, I'm sorry. If there's something that you see that you like, let me know. If I remember to, I'm going to post everybody that I mentioned down below in the description box. Sorry, I'm just getting over a cough, so I just have a mint in my mouth. Hopefully you understand me okay, and I'm not jiggling the mint around too much in my mouth. Sometimes I paint the back with some watercolor. Usually they're watercolor, but sometimes they're distress stains. And here I get this question often is, where do I get these date calendar sheets? I actually got these from Life at 30 something back for my birthday last year, I believe. So I'm not really 100% sure where she purchased them from, but I really like to use these in my journals. This one is a really fun and colorful one. A lot of these stickers are from Cute Things from Japan, and I can't wait for her to open up her shop. She's actually going to have a physical shop in Tokyo, so if you're ever visiting Tokyo, don't forget to visit her shop. Should be opening up soon. This is from Sticky Kit as well. Sticky Kit is a sticker subscription, and she's also located in Japan. Some Happy Meal. I try and include some notes as well. This is from Payless Blue. She has stickers as well. She has some stickers that are out. I think this one here is the stickers that first ever sticker that I made, using some of my watercolor swatches and things. It was an interesting process. It took a little bit longer than I like to. I'm just not familiar with Photoshop and not Photoshop, Illustrator. So it took me a little while to figure that out, but it's a great learning experience. This is also part of the sticker sheet that I first ever created. You see some distress stains in some of my stickers as well. I know, unfortunately, this distress stains are no longer, they're no longer creating them. I think some of them have gone bad for some people, and they just took them off the shelf, I believe, so that you won't see them for sale anymore anywhere. Well, that's my understanding. Yeah, so I like these really thick washi tapes. More distress stain in the background there. These stickers are from Esther Molina. She created this really cute one. I think this was from the Christmas section. I remember these cats on the Christmas tree. This here is from a meetup. I ask the people at the meetups to write a short little message. Look at this one here. She's really, really talented. It's kind of hard to see her message, but I will post a link down below to her Instagram. And more stamping. I appreciate so much. I know Amanda has these really beautiful big stamps, and whenever we do these meetups, we are always stamping and pulling out washi tapes and things like that. This one is from Amanda. She has these really beautiful big stamps. Some weeks I write more, and then some weeks they're just really short. You see a little bit later on in these next couple pages, it just I don't know, just something happens and I'm just not really in the mood to decorate much. But at least I'm writing a little bit. So there's that first notebook. I got these really cute Curious George, like they're like kind of vintagey Curious George stickers from Filofax Finds. Then back in here, once again, I'm not really using these first front pages. If you have the same weekly notebook, do you use these pages? What do you use them for? I used to keep track of birthdays, but I stopped doing that because I stopped referring back to these pages for my birthday. So starting in July, just collaging some paper bits and things. Writing again, just playing with some watercolor. Message from my neighbors. She has really cute washi tape. This is like Monster Ink washi tape. The other day she sent me a message and she had like sloth washi tape. I really should ask her where she purchases them from. Oh, I think it's this one. It's not sloth, they're monkeys. They're really, really cute. But yeah, she's so sweet. I asked her if she was into like drawing and like the Hobonichi Techo, because I felt like she would be really into that. Like her drawings are really cute. Like whenever she writes me a message, she usually has like a little drawing. But yeah, she's never heard of it before. I actually showed her one of my journals, and she's like, "Wow, you keep track of all your photos, and you know, all of like you write little memos beside your photos." And it was really interesting too. I was kind of embarrassed, not embarrassed, just kind of shy to show somebody my journals, but she was really impressed. She really likes to take nice photos, but she's never made the next she's never actually printed out the photos and made them into an album. So I was like, oh, you can do so many cool things with the photos that you take, and I was just showing her some examples. This is our most recent meetup. And that's it. I guess my family is back from McDonald's, so I'll leave it at that. I will see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.